unit is just giving what it needs to be giving. And the wig is super flirty and it's super long. Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed and finessed this unit that I got from Unice Hair. This is their FB30 Balayage T-part unit and it's super cute and it's 24 inches long. So I'm going to be showing you how I did a quick install and how I actually layered and curled this unit. So if you are interested in that kind of content, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So without further ado, let's jump right into this install. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from Unice Hair Company. They sent me over their 24-inch T-part balayage unit, and inside of the box I received some goodies. I received this cute little headband, a pair of eyelashes, and a pair of stocking cap as well. So a bit about this wig. This wig is a T-part unit in 24 inches and it's in the color FB30. A bit about the cap construction of this wig. It has a 13 by 5 deep parting space. It has two combs on the sides of the wig, one in the middle and one to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps as well, so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. And the color on this unit is really cute. So let's jump right into the installation process. And this is the wig. I went ahead already to pin curl the unit. I'll link a video in the eye on how I actually curl my hair when I'm going to install them. And I already did my ball cap methods as well. If you want an in-depth video on how I actually do my ball cap method, you can leave it in the comment section bar down below and I would actually do that. My ball cap method is already done. So before I install the wig, I'm just gonna clean off any sorts of makeup with my rubbing alcohol. And I already bleached the knot, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna be taking my Black Radiance palette. So I'm just gonna be taking this concealer just to put it into the parting space of the wig. So let me just put it on. So after I finish cutting off the cutting off the section around my ear tabs area, I'm going in with 2 layers of my Bold Hold active glue, and after the first layer of glue is dried, I'm just going to go in with a second layer of the glue, and then I'm just going to use the end of my rat tail comb just to blend the glue out evenly. And after the glue is a bit tacky, I'm going in with my blow dryer just to blow dry everything before I go ahead and lay this wig. So I'm just pulling the wig onto the glue and I'm just going to secure the lace onto the glue. So if I have any sort of lace that is lifting, I'm just going back in with a little bit of glue to the front portion just to lay the lace down. So I'm just going to work on that, and then I'm going in with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray just to set everything in place. So after I get everything the way I want it, I'm going back in with my blow dryer just to blow dry everything all together, and then I'm going to start to work on my baby hairs. So on a T-part unit, there's not much hair to work with, so I'm just parting out a minimalistic amount of hair so that I can create my baby hairs. So I'm just going to work on that. So I'm going in with my Gorilla Snot Gel to lay my baby hairs. So I'm just going in with my Gorilla Snot Gel just to lay the edges to create the minimalistic amount of baby hairs that I'm going for. On a T-part wig without baby hairs, the wig just looks too wiggish. So by doing baby hairs, it gives the wig a realistic look and makes it look as though it's a frontal. So I'm just finessing my baby hairs until I get them the way I want them. So I'm just working on that. So after I finish my baby hairs and I have them to my liking, I'm just going ahead to blow dry that. And then as you guys can see, the curls on this wig is popping. I went ahead to pre-curl the hair before. So I'm just working on finessing this wig. So I'm going in with my Wig Dealer wax stick just to lay the top portion of the wig, and then I'm going in with my hot comb just to lay the top portion. So I'm just going to work on that until I get everything the way I want it. So after I get my wig on flat, I am just going in with my Black Radiance True Contour powder palette, and I'm just going to put the powder into the parting space of the wig just to give the parting space a precise look. And I'm just working on that until I get everything the way I want it to. And then I'm going in with my Studio 2000 System Hairspray just to give the hair a little bit of shine and volume. And then I'm going in with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray just to set the front portion of my wig. So I'm just finessing the wig until I'm satisfied with how the wig is actually laid. So as you guys can see, this wig is giving what it needs to be giving. So I just decided after just to add a bit of layers into this wig. So I'm going in with my razor comb just to layer the front portion of the wig so that it can frame my face a little bit more. So after I finish razor cutting down the front portion of the wig, I'm going back in with my curling iron just to curl the front portion so that it can get a little bit more bump to the front. So I'm just gonna work on that until I have everything the way I want it. So after I finish curling the wig, I'm just gonna do my finishing touches to this wig. And you guys, this wig is like everything. The color on this wig is so bomb, and I'm just gonna play with it until I get it to how I want it. And this wig is everything, you guys, and I'm in love. This unit is in the color FB30 and it's a balayage unit, and this unit retails for $220.59 on Unice hair site. It's 24 inches long, so it's like it falls just below my breast area, and it's so long, and this unit is just giving what it needs to be giving. Straight out of the box, this unit was pretty soft. After I washed it, bleached it and everything, the unit is still super soft. I had minimal to no shredding, and the wig is super flirty and it's super long. The wig is really nice. Like, I can't stop running my fingers through it because it's so soft. So yeah, you guys, you can go out and get yourself one of these T-part units. I actually love how the end result turned out, you guys. So yeah, so that's the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.